Door closes. I don't have the UI set up yet, but just run through it. So wand's in here. And I need to scoot back so I can interact with that. Okay. So your controller becomes the wand. Bug. See if it works with. If that is, it has to be the right hand. I'll just make it to where the left can't interact with it or something. Okay, so that worked. Or I'll make it to where it works if. So come over here, you interact with this, unlocks a spell. Currently there's like gravity on these things. If you cast the spell, they become 0G. It's kind of fun. I'll add more objects for these to interact with, but currently the riddle will be something about, you know, figured out, but that pulls that down and activates the earth spell. Once you interact with that, you now have another spell, and this allows you to interact with certain things with the raycast. You press the B button and it turns into other objects. Logs turn to books, another book, and then this turns into a key. Key you can use to unlock this. Inside is a lantern which you can grab. That, and this is something that I'm just now testing, so we'll see if it works. It should be that as soon as I turn off all these lights. Oh shit! Sorry. First, you interact with the lantern and fire book spawns. You interact with that. That starts the fire. Now you can turn off lights. Even solve my own escape room. Now this should turn on the lantern. Wasn't working before. Boom. Works. Woo. Now the room is very dark. Now this doesn't quite work yet, but it should be that an easy script. I just have to switch it. But essentially, whenever the lantern is within a certain radius, it'll make these books have letters on them. Kind of see them, and yeah, you can just turn on lights again. That will stay on. So just kind of spooky. Little interaction there with darkness and every. Oh shit. So the rest of the plan is to make it to where you have to put the books on this shelf in a certain order. And then I'm just gonna have, as soon as you do that, the bookshelf itself will raise open and that'll be the exit. So all I have left to do is the books able to be you know, the letters shown with the lantern, which I have already basically done. I need to have these sockets activate that trigger. Then I just need to do the user interface. And then we just need to get all your stuff connected. And then, you know, I'll do some bug fixing like with the interaction thing. If we're not doing a playtest, I don't know if I'll worry about it. I'll just always grab it with the right hand. So, yeah, that's that.